Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is the second day of crochet coaster challenge. So I'm going to use these two color for today, and today I'm going to crochet a heart shaped coaster. This is very common and you can find thousands of tutorial or written pattern in everywhere, but as it is Valentine and I thought that yeah, a heart shaped coaster will be cute. You can gift it or just make it for you. So as this is a free coaster challenge, so I think it's okay. Let's start with, I'm going to use the red one for heart, and the ruffles I will use this cream color. So this one is Kartupu yarn and this is milk cotton. I don't have the label for it, but it's okay. And we're also going to use this 4 mm hook. You can use any kind of yarn or any color of your choice. You can use pink, you can use red and white, red and pink, pink and white, anything. Okay, so let's get started. So first you will do a magic loop. We will do a round shape as we did in our first video. So in the magic loop I will make 4 DC, chain 3, 1 2 3 4. After completing the 12 DC, you will just pull the tail, close it together, and then slip stitch into the first chain. Everything is as we did in the first video. I will put the link in the description box, so if it is very first for you, you can just go back to that video and watch the tutorial. I give a slow instruction how to make a square, sorry, how to make a circle. So next 3 DC count as 3 chain, which is count as a DC, and then make one more DC into the same stitch and make 2 DC in each of the stitch. In this round you will make 2 DC in every stitch, so you will get 24 DC. First, at the first round you did 12 DC, and now you will do 2 DC in every stitch, and at the end of this round you will get 24 DC. So now slip stitch into the first chain. Now row number 3, chain 3, count as a DC, and in the same stitch we will do one more DC. So 2 DC in one stitch, and then at the next stitch do 1 DC, and in the next stitch make 2 DC, 1 DC, 2 DC. That's the pattern. 1 DC in the next stitch, 2 DC into the next stitch, and you will get 36 DC after this row. At the end of this row you will get 36 stitch, slip stitch into the top of the third chain. Okay, this is your round number 3. Now round number 4 we will do something different so that the heart shape came out, and for that you will do chain 1. Now we will do 1/2 DC, but we will not work in the same stitch where we did the slip stitch. So we will do 1/2 DC into the next stitch. Yeah, and then in the next stitch we will make 1 DC and 1 triple crochet into the same stitch. Okay, Now make 2 triple crochet into next 3 stitch. One triple crochet and then 2 triple crochet. In the next stitch again make 2 triple crochet. Okay. In the next stitch you will do another 2 triple crochet. Okay, after the triple crochet, in the next stitch we will do 1 DC, and in the next stitch we will do 1 DC. Okay, in the next stitch we will do 2 half DC, and in the next 3 stitch we will make 1 single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, and another single crochet. Now after the 3 single crochet we will do 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Again into the next stitch we will make 2 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet into next 2 stitch. Okay, and then okay, sorry, I made a mistake. After the 2 single crochet in the same stitch we will do 1 half DC. Okay, not the 1 single crochet again, just 1 half DC, and then 2 DC, and then a triple crochet into the next stitch. So this is the corner of our heart. Okay, now we will do the same thing we did here but in the opposite direction. So first we will do 2 DC, and then we will do 1 half DC, and then we will make 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, make 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and then make 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitch. So 1, 2, and then 3, and then you have to do 2 half DC into the next stitch. Yeah, and then make 1 DC into the next 2 stitch. So DC in the next stitch, DC into the next stitch, and then 2 triple crochet into the next 3 stitch. So first 1 triple crochet, 2 triple crochet into the same stitch, second 1 triple crochet, 2 triple crochet, third 1 triple crochet, and then 2 triple crochet, and into the next stitch you will do 1 triple crochet and 1 DC in the same stitch. Okay, 1 triple crochet and 1 DC into the same stitch. In the next stitch you will make 1/2 DC, and then you have to do a single crochet into the first chain, not single crochet, I mean a slip stitch, and that's it. It's your heart shape is done. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. And now we have to make the ruffle, and the first of the video I said I will use white yarn, but I think I'm going to use this pink, dusty pink for this pattern, because red and white is very common, we always use that, so I want to change it. Okay, now for the ruffle we will use this pink yarn, and here you can see where we slip stitch, and then we have a chain 1 in between, half double crochet and then chain 1. Okay, so what we have to do is we will start from here, the chain 1 gap. So connect your yarn with slip stitch and then chain 1. Okay, and make 1 single crochet at the same chain 1 space. Yeah, and then just skip your the half DC, and in the next stitch you will do 5 DC. That's your shell stitch. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now skip 1 stitch, and into the next stitch make 1 single crochet. Skip the next stitch and 1 shell stitch into the next stitch, and our shell counts as 5 stitch. Okay, so this is the repeat. Now just do it until you get here before your a half DC. Okay, if you did everything correctly, then you only have 1 half double crochet now, so skip that half double crochet and make 1 single crochet into the after the half double crochet. Just make 1 single crochet and slip a stitch, or even you can just, let me see, well, I think this is better. So don't make anything after the shell. You will have 1 half double crochet, so make a slip stitch into the next single crochet and you are done. That is your pretty little heart shaped, I mean, it's nice, it's so pretty, I loved it. Okay, so the people who don't know, oh, you have to cut the yarn, of course. So the people who don't know about the what is the coaster challenge, so I'm going to make a 1 coaster every day in this February month. All you have to do is to make coaster with me, and just tag me into the social media. You can find me on the Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, anywhere. I would love to see how yours project turned out, what color you are using. Just use hashtag Shutakathi, hashtag coaster challenge, tag me so that I can find you, and I will share your work into my story. So that's it. Let's work together, and I think it will be very, very fun. You will get my social media links into the description box, so please check the description box below. And yeah, that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.